All right, we're moving on now to the design tree and also the evolution tree. So the design tree is sort of something you might have already seen, perhaps in context of your model tree. The evolution tree, look, it's been around since Creo 9. Maybe you've seen it, maybe you haven't. If you're not on Creo 9 yet, then of course you wouldn't have. But it allows us to more closely evaluate more complex models that use surfacing and things like that to generate the design. Okay, so the design tree, basically allows at the moment to break it down into quilts and bodies. If we're dealing with solid models and we want to use multiple bodies, we can do that. If we're actually building up a complex model, using quilts or surfaces, then yeah, we can do that as well. All right, so this is just another window which you probably saw a moment ago when I was trying to clean up my display. Okay. The evolution tree. So this is quite useful because what it does is it says at the end of the day, we've got 3 separate quilts or 3 separate merged surfaces. Okay, so surface is different to a quilt in the context of Creo, but a quilt is just a combination of surfaces that are stitched together. Okay, and it allows us to just see what features might contribute to that. And we can actually start to use like some functionality in there to sort of help us more visualize how that was created. Otherwise, it can be really difficult to go through the model tree and figure out what features were used for what purpose.